can see you are quite relaxed, and that's a good sign before you go into battle. Now, I just have three messages. One is a message of appreciation. We want to appreciate, truly, truly appreciate what you have done for the country, for South Africa, that is, and also for Africa. You have put South Africa on the global map. The whole world is focused on what is going to happen tonight, but has been focused on what you've been doing. In many ways, you've been regaling not only South Africans, many people around the world have been watching you. And you've lifted the name of our country, the image, and the standing of our country